श्री मौनी विद्यापीठ कर्मवीर हिरे आर्ट्स सायन्स कॉमर्स and education college welcomes you.
World Health Organization declared COVID-19 pandemic year 2020. Education is the basic pillar of life, so online education is the best option in pandemic situation. Along the online education, biology department arranged the online biology project competition.
Organizing committee Principal Dr. P.B. Patil, Vice Principal Mr. B.B. Davang, Department Head Mr. A.B. Patil, Biology Department myself Dr. Vishakha Shivsharan. Examiner Committee Dr. Kishore Maske, Dr. Vilas Jagtap, Dr. Mrunal Desai, Mr. Chetan Bhagat. 12 science students are participated in this competition. Total 76 students are participated. In this video, we see 5 projects. Vidya Desai presenting her project on pollination. Let's see Vidya Desai's project. Very good Vidya Desai. Next project Pallavi Morbale double fertilization. Let's see her project. Very nice Pallavi. Very good diagram. Next project Neha Khoth blood group. Let's see her project. Very good Neha. Let's see next project Rahul Kamble presenting his project COVID-19.
Hello my dear friends, as you can see I am Rahul Shravan Kamble. I am learning in 12th standard in Karmavir Hire Mahavidyalay, Gargoti. Now I am going to talk about COVID-19. I know you already know about this topic very well, and also you all of you so much informed this disease, but we need to know more information about COVID-19. I am explaining with points are structure, modes of infection, preventive measures and treatment. As you can see, this is the basic structure of the coronavirus. The COVID-19 is a spherical or pleomorphic envelope particles containing the single standard RNA associated with a nucleoprotein within a capsid comprised of the matrix protein. The envelope bears club-shaped glycoprotein projections. Some coronaviruses also contain a hemagglutinin esterase of protein. Modes of infection. The virus that causes COVID-19 spreads primarily through droplets. generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or speaks. You can also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth before washing your hands. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Stay home if you feel unwell. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Clean your hands, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. If you have fever, cough, or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Nowadays, the biggest problem in the world, there is no treatment for COVID-19. To date, there is no specific vaccine or medicine for COVID-19. Treatment are under investigation. Our scientists will be investigating a vaccine as soon as possible. But you must be remembered, if you want to protect from COVID-19, if you want to see next year's, so must be now a days follow the instructions that suggest government. Wear a mask, save lives, wear a face cover, wash your hands, keep a safe distance, and regularly follow the guidelines announced by government.
Excellent presentation by Rahul. So let's see next project, Snehal Tipugde, aminocytosis. Very good, Snehal. Sincere thanks to all committees, students, their hard work, and all junior staff.
Thanks for watching. But this is not the end. Part 2 video coming soon.
Please like, subscribe and share video.